A warm welcome back to the channel. My name is Tom and you're watching youtube.com/TomOfAction. And in this video today, I've got an unboxing for you guys of the Samsung Galaxy A50, which is one of the refreshed Samsung budget phones in the kin of the Galaxy series, which is Samsung's flagship and main competitor for the Apple iPhone. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys the unboxing where I will dive into the product packaging. I just got it from the mail, courtesy of Amazon today. And if you'd like to purchase it, we'll link me in the description below. But I figured I'd just give you guys this little introduction here so we can get that out of the way. And now, dive into the unboxing. So, we got the box right here. I just transitioned so I could get this set up for how I'll unbox the phone. So, hopefully you guys don't mind that. And before I just get started really quick, just as a quick note, I got this as part of a bundle pretty much on Amazon, and I got the screen protector and the case so I can keep the phone nice and safe once I open it, because I'm a clumsy guy and I have a bad habit of dropping my phone. And you know, you want to mitigate, if you know that kind of thing, potential negative outcomes. So if you'd like to get this bundle, it retails together everything for about $315. And this is the Samsung budget phone, one of their budget phones in a line of phones that are supposed to provide the Galaxy experience, but at a discount. So the phone itself individually, if you aren't interested and are less clumsy than I am and fancy just the phone, retails for about $275, but depending on the color, there are variables where there are minor differences in price. So keeping that in mind, if this is the type of device you might be interested in, I actually got this so I have somebody who will have a much better experience with the iPhone XR than I have had. I mean, the phone itself isn't bad, coming off as someone who just was using iOS, but as someone who has his roots in previous videos I've explained, and as you can tell on my older channel, in using Android as is my daily driver, I don't mind going back to this. And I'm really curious, as someone who the last Galaxy S phone I've used was the 6 Edge Plus, and that has been quite a while since these phones. And from what I could tell from the videos that I've watched, the speeds and the hardware on the XR are actually a lot similar to this phone, even though this phone retails for about $275, as I said previously, and the iPhone XR, depending on where you're getting it from, currently retails for about $750. So with that little bit of tidbit information out of the way, let's get into the unboxing right now. So as you can tell with the box itself, this says Samsung Galaxy A50, just all this stuff. I think this is an additional sticker that the Amazon people attached because it was a part of a bundle. And as I said, these things can be purchased with that bundle for a relatively decent price. And then you have the, obviously, all the trademark intellectual property stuff that comes with every phone and device you'll buy. Here's the graphic for the phone. I like how minimalistic the design is, actually. If my memory doesn't serve me correctly, I think that the designs for the older ones are a lot less cluttered. And that was one of the few things I actually can say with Apple, which I think they've always got right, was when they would have their cover art and everything be very minimalistic. I think being able to say less and do more is always a great thing. So let's find the tape. Hopefully I'll cut my hand open as a goof. I remember my older unboxing videos, actually, I would always have difficulties opening the tape. But here we go. Now you can tell on the back there's some product information. We're gonna need to read that. We're geeks, so we can always read that later. So, as you can tell, I've been struggling a little bit, but finally got the tape off the box. And just want to be careful here. Okay, so I got this. Off it comes. Oh, and alrighty, so outside of the box we've got the I think these are like the little obligatory product manual and warranty and all that stuff. Let's take a look really quick. Oh, and it looks like it came with a case. So like, I didn't actually know that. Interesting. This is like a clear case. That's good. Apple doesn't actually have that stuff included with their iPhone, but you know, Apple, as I've always thought, is a greedy company, and I don't think it should be expected, since they don't even include Supercharge on any of their devices and it's 2019, for them to be looking out for the consumer. Hashtag Android for the win. But here we go with the quick start guide. As I said, about user warranties, the guide if you are speaking Spanish, which you might be, and here we got the phone itself. It says the things. Infinity U display, triple camera, and on-screen fingerprint. A review will be forthcoming after I have this unboxing out, but I decide here, I'll look at the phone in a moment, but you got these, the charging and headphone outlet. Actually, this is just a general aux cord. You could use it with a headphone device if it allows you to plug it in. Actually, no, these are headphones. What am I talking about? They have headphones that came with the phone. Nice. So, excuse my blindness, but then we got the cable and then the AC adapter for the wall. You have the pin that you can use to put the SIM card in, and I think that's everything with the box. Put that to the side, and finally now take a brief look at the phone. And I don't want to get all my fingerprints all over it, so I'm just trying to be careful. So here's the device itself. It actually feels rather light and comparable to the 10R that I've been using. This phone did come out this year, a couple of months ago, and the back, I think, believe it or not, is made of plastic, but the colors are so good. I like it a lot, actually, and I've seen people on videos saying how good the coloring was for the back and how it kind of reflects, and they were not lying about that. So here's the phone itself in all its glory. Just to give you guys a quick look. And before I now ruin it, I'm gonna put it down right over here and wrap up the video. So that was the unboxing. If you like what you saw, please feel free to leave a thumbs up, comment below your thoughts on what phone you're using and how your experience is, and what do you think the device will be for my experience, and if you've had one, what yours was. And then subscribe and also click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on future videos. And yeah, the review will be coming soon. I will let you guys know for sure. If you heard that loud boom outside, it was either fireworks or gunshots, but you can be the judge of that. I'm not sure. Anyways, a lot of crazy things going on outside at night. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video real soon. For now, peace out.